guys, since I came to Pings the last time, in here change up. They have a whole section now for the home decor pieces, so I'm just going to go through a few of them for you to see. So starting off, entering here, they have like this glass case with some little ribbons and these pans, like grooming kit and stuff that you can get. Over here they have a few cushions for like $3,000. They have this lucky one here. I'm not seeing a price on it. Let me check. But I think this type might go for about $1,000, $1,500 somewhere there. Yeah. And they have them in red and so. They have these florals as usual that you can purchase by stems. This one, $250. And they have these single ones. They have these wreaths for $1,000 if you're into pink decor. And they have these sunflowers that you can purchase single. They have these as well. This cushion is $800, so I think the one over there would be around that price range, $800. Over here they have some glasswares. So they have these mugs and glass. They have these brooms glass. But I'm loving over this side. These stuffs over here, such as this chair with this table. $2,000 for this plant. I'll get the price for the chair and table afterwards because I'm not seeing any. Bingo set. Now see the price on the bingo set. $1,500 for this tree, so you can start come and purchase tree. You have this nice little basket, $1,000. So this would be nice to decorate like a little table or so. Over this side, I'm seeing this for $15,000. Oh, fireplace. And they have these forks and spoons, these garden toolkits for like $600. These are $800. $1,000. This would be great to put on your table or so, or like a console. $1,000. You can put like a little flower in it or so. This one is $600. $1,000. So these are great pieces that you can use to start decorating for the Christmas or the fall. These smaller trees. These trees are not priced as yet. These are $1,000. This is $1,500 for this one. This is a garland, $600. These are normally $1,000, these pots. These are $1,500. All these are $1,000. These are $1,000. These are foldable basket bins. These are great for storage. So you can put these on your TV stand. You can put it on the closet area. So if you're in a small space to remove clutter, these are great, and they're also stylish as well. So you guys can come and get that. These wood houses are $1,000, and this crate is for, not seeing any price for this crate yet, but it's okay. It's $1,000 for this crate, and this is $1,200. A 3-piece set. This box, this wood crate 3-piece set.
Hi, good morning.
This is $6,000. It's a bit heavy. These are some mug holder, $500. And they have plant pots, $800. These are, so I'm assuming the ones with the $5 on them is $1,000.
Ma'am.
Okay. $500 for the chalkboards. Yeah, all the chalkboards are $500. These are $1,000. Relax, cozy up, carrying sweets. These are $3,200. Paper towel holder, $3,200. Oh, these are jewelry trays. It's for $800. This cutting board, cheese board, $1,000. And this type is $500. $500 this frame, and these are $1,000 risers. This is $4,000. $1,000 for these shelves, and these are $1,000. They decorate them over there. You can get mirrors, oval mirrors and round mirrors. Let me see how much. I think these are about $500. And they have these trays. $300. $300. This is $800. This is nice. This is $1,000. These are Target items, right? These are like Target items. Yeah, based on the. So the last time we got say Five Below and a Five Below a Target. Okay. They have these. Wait, this $1,000. $3,000 for the sleeping bag. And the exercising mats $1,500. And I forget to mention, guys, if you're overseas, you can always convert Jamaican dollar to your country so you can have an idea what is the price of the items here. Like these are $1,000, and the soap, this bottle set here is $1,000 as well. So you can always purchase these and use them. They have these set as well for $1,000. These are like $600. I would maybe spray paint these because I don't like the gold finish that are on them. $500 actually for these, and the decks is for $15,000. So you can see how they decorate this little tree with the home sign as well. The chair is $15,000, and they have the cushion available as well for sale. So you can always purchase this cushion for Christmas Day whenever you need to put it out, whenever you start decorating. They have cups as well, different design cups from the last time that I came. And as I mentioned, these decor pieces, you can always come and get them, spray paint them to change the look of it and just to change the color. Over this side where I'm going, they have this lamp. Look at it. It's a 3-piece lamp, all in one. $20,000 for this lamp set here. And the desk riser here as well is for $20,000. I'll give you more details on that. This side table is $15,000. And the drawer is a bit shallow. You can, if it works for your decor, you can always come and get it. And they have these console and decks, $12,000 for these over here. And this patio table is for $12,000 as well. This wall heart is for $5,000. So if it's your style, come on and grab it. Remember, PINGS have limited items, so it's not, I don't think it's a whole stock of these, so you know you're not going to find them in everybody's house. That's a good thing. And you can get the towels here as well, 3-piece towel set, $1,500. This tapestry is for $3,000, and you know these are great on your wall as a decor piece as well. This more slimmer art is for $3,000. And this accent table here is $10,000. Yeah, these flowers is for $800. And they have different type, as I mentioned before, so you guys can come and check out that section of PINGS. If you need like pots and cushions, and so as I mentioned, they have it here. So this pot set here is for $20,000. So So you can come and get this frying pan set for 20,000, and this dinnerware set they do have as well. To this Dex, actually it can rise and it can minimize as well. So if you want it to be high, you can always rise it, and you can put it lower as well. 20,000 is not bad for this. And they have this one as well for $15,000. No, I can't come here and don't go over the candle area. These 3-wick candle is for $1,500, and they have the smaller ones for $500 still. I just want to take this time out, guys, to tell you thank you for the support you have given me on this channel. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, down below. This table is $18,000. The little table and the chair that I forget to mention before. And as I was saying, the likes and the comment help to show that you guys are engaging with my videos and that you like it, so YouTube can push it out more. So I hope you guys continue to share in the comment what kind of videos you'd love to see. These are Target items that you can get here in Jamaica at PINGS Fabric. So for the persons that can't travel or would afraid to shop online, you can check out PINGS again for their home decor pieces. So it's a good thing when you see persons venturing into other things. So not only fabric you can get here, but you can get home decor pieces. Thank you again for watching, guys. You may watch the next video on screen or this playlist on screen. See you on the next video.